All right, what's up, what's up? It's your girl, JKellz. Welcome back to Cooking with JKellz. I'm going to use some extra firm, super firm tofu. Alrighty, so we're going to start here by making an incision. And we're going to pour out that liquid. Alrighty. Alrighty, go ahead and cut around. Pull this baby out. Pull that. Now we have our tofu. Wham, bam it. All we're going to do here, we are going to slice it in half. Lay it down. Okay, and we're going to make nice chunks about in half an inch cube. Okay. Alrighty, so what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and spread them apart. I'm going to purposely season them a little messy because I want to be able to flip the tofu around on this cutting board to finish seasoning all four sides. Alrighty, so let's go. To start, I'm going to add adobo. Again, I'm being extra messy on purpose because I want to flip it around on all four sides to get that seasoning all around. Now I'm going to add, I have black pepper. Okay. You want to get it on all the tofu and also purposely get it on that cutting board. Next we have garlic powder. Okay. Alrighty. Add a masala. Ooh. Smells so nice. Alrighty. I have my paprika. Okay. Coriander.
I can plug my stuff up.
Onion powder. Almost finished with the seasonings. Not. For tofu, you need a little bit extra. Creole. Tofu has no flavor, as my daughter says. You know, she's the new vegetarian in the family, so we have to keep her happy as well.
What is tofu?
And Italian seasoning. Get your butt. All right, look at that. And what you're going to do is you have to take your time because, as you all know, tofu is fragile. So you do not want to throw it around, but you can spread the seasoning. And when you need a little extra, just dab it. That's why we purposely put some on the cutting board. You see? That's how we make sure we get all four sides nice and coated. Nice. So you see how I just sort of run my hand through and run that seasoning over to the next side. There we are. Okay. You want all the sides nice and seasoned, so it has a good flavor throughout. And we're just going to do that to every single cube. And then the next step will be the coating. So I'll see you all there. Alrighty, so now we have all the sides on all of the tofu, nice and seasoned, as you can tell. Again, you do want to take your time while you're doing it. You don't want to break the tofu up. You definitely want to keep it whole, but you see it's nice and coated. That's definitely what you want, so you have a good flavor throughout. Alrighty, so now let's go ahead and get ready to batter and put it in the air fryer. Let's go, baby. We're going to go ahead and do. Now what we'll do, we have our flour here, and we're going to have our egg whites. Let's go ahead and shake that baby up. All right, we're going to pour the egg whites inside. Okay. Alrighty, so now that we have the egg whites in, we're going to go ahead and add our baking powder to our flour. So I have a teaspoon of baking powder. Alrighty. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of cornstarch as well.
Ooh, China's back.
All right.
China kind of scares me.
Leave her alone then. So now inside of the flour, you're going to add Adobe. And inside of the egg wash as well. The next you have your Creole seasoning. I know I'm moving stuff around. Then I have black pepper. I had a lot of plans today, but I didn't finish what I was trying to do. Onion powder. And garlic. Garlic only inside of the flour. And the Italian seasoning only in the flour as well. And you're going to stir it around. Alrighty, and the same for, sorry everyone, the egg wash is here. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is you're going to put the tofu, be gentle, inside of the flour mix. Go ahead and toss it. Get a nice coating. And you're going to put it inside of the egg wash. Go lay down in the bed. You going to sleep on the couch?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I love
Right here, y'all can use this. I don't sleep.
No, one of y'all have to sleep in the bed. Isaac, you going to sleep in the bed.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Who you lying? Yeah, you forgot who you were talking to, I see. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and coat them nice. Now, if I was not putting them in the air fryer, I would use buttermilk. I love using buttermilk when I fry. But because this is the air fryer, I'm going to go ahead and use the egg white. I found, to me, it works a little better than the buttermilk. Alrighty. What we're going to do is we're going to coat them good, and we're going to actually go ahead and sit them inside of the air fryer. And we'll turn that air fryer on to preheat when we're finished with all of them.
Put it back down.
So you want to toss them nice, but be gentle at the same time. Because again, you do not want them to break apart, and tofu is a fragile child. A plate here on the side. Look at that nice coating on them.
Okay, I found something.
We're going to do these.
What's these? We don't found it.
Put a nice toss in there. Forgot to tell you all, what I did do is inside of the flour, I have panko, plain panko that I added inside. Alrighty.
Inside where?
All right, so now we have our air fryer. Again, let's go ahead. We are going to coat the bottom of this pan with some cooking spray. Okay. We'll go ahead and line it with our tofu. Go ahead. Line it nice. And close our air fryer. We're going to put the 400 and we're going to move the timer. And we're going to put the timer on to 10 minutes. And let's click start. It will preheat. Once it says add food, all we have to do is open the air fryer and close it. And it'll go ahead and do its little thing. All right. Alrighty. It says turn food. So we're going to go ahead, open it on up. Look at that, look on that, look on that. Before we do a flip, again, I'm going to take some olive oil and I'm going to just let it get on all of them. Nice and good here. Yeah, there we go, there we go. Ooh, baby. And again, go ahead and flip. Flip them. And now let's do one more on all of them before we start it back up. This is extra virgin olive oil that I have here. And let's go ahead and pop it back in our air fryer and let it finish. And I'll see you all when it's done.